Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be solving 5 to 6 questions. Uh, Let us see the rest of the questions. Now we have done till 5 questions yesterday. Now we are starting with 6th question. This question is dropped by UPSC, so we are going to the 7th question. Friends, I would like to tell you one thing. Uh, I have uploaded the bits of the videos where we have discussed the shortcuts and formula in the form of videos and as well as shorts. I have created two separate playlists, one for the this CSAT topic wise videos and other for if at all whenever we are discussing the formulae or else shortcuts. I have created other playlists you can see in the playlist section. It is formulas and shortcuts, and also I'm forwarding the same the small videos in the form of shorts so that you can see in the shorts as well. And friends, if you are feeling that I'm talking very slowly, you can please watch the video in 1.25x or 1.5x. I'm not that comfortable in talking English because I have very less habit of talking English, and whenever I'm explaining these videos also, I'm first thinking in my mother tongue and then I'm converting it into English, so it's taking some sort of time. So please forgive me, friends. And yeah, now let's start the video. See, if A into B, ABC into DEED is equals to ABC, ABC, where A, B, C, D, E are different digits. What are the values of D and E? Now let's see. A, B, C into D, E, E, D is A, B, C, A, B, C, where all these are different digits. And now in the options he has given that D is equal to 2 or equal to 0, all these things. One thing, you can go with the options, or else we'll first solve with the conventional method. See here, the units place of C and units place of the product is same, right? That means the units place will be always in the multiplication, these two things, right? This is the units place of the multiplier, and this is the given digit. So whenever we multiply this units place into C and D, this will be the units place of the entire product. So here C into D is C. In what case the C will be C when multiplied with a number? That means D should always be 1, right? D is equals to 1. Now what will happen? A, B, C is equals to 1, E, E, 1 is equals to A, B, C, A, B, C. Now let's see the product here. Here ABC and ABC both are repeated, right? That means AB double, so ABC 0, 0, 0 plus ABC. This this can be written like this, right? That means here there are three zeros. That's why here when we add ABC here, then it is becoming this thing. That means E must be zeros. E 0. Or else you can solve this question by using optionals also. See, now let us see the option, this one, because since it is the answer, I am telling you E D is equals to 1 and E is equals to 0. That becomes D E E D. It becomes 1 0 0 1. When it is multiplied with ABC 1 0 0 1, it becomes ABC plus 0 0 0 0, and this 0 0 0 0, and last one A B C. See, A B C and A B C, right? So D is equals to 1, we are getting it here, here, and equal to 0 we are getting from this. Okay. Now let's go to the other question. Now a cow cost more than 4 goats but less than 5 goats. See what is getting? Cow cost more than 4 goats but less than 5 goats. Right? If the goat costs between 600 to 800. Now goat value is giving that 600 to 800. This is the range. Which of the following is the most valid conclusion? Now we have to find the approximate range of cow. Now let's see. Now how much 4 goats costs? We'll find out 4 goats cost. It will be 4 times of 600 to 800, right? That means 2400 to 3200. Now let this be equation number 1. Now how much 5 goats cost? That means 5 times of 600, 800. That becomes 3000 to 4000. Now equation number 2. Now what is asking? He is asking for the cost of the no, let's see. No, he is asking for cow value. Now cow is less than cost of 4 goats. What is the minimum possible value of the goats? It is 2400, right? Here it is the maximum value 3200, but it is also included in this also. This 3000 4 goats value can be 3200 and 5 goats value can be 3000 rupees. But we want what is the maximum range which can fit into the question, right? This is the minimum range where 2400 rupees will be the minimum cost of the cows, and here 5 goats value, it is here 3000, but here only we are getting 3200, but that means we have to take maximum value from here. That means here 4000. That means cow value cost between 2400 to 4000. Here simply you can use shortcut. That means the least value is 600, right? And it is giving 4 goats here. So 600 into 4, 2400. And we need the maximum value. Maximum possible value when we can get here, it is the 800 and we have 5 goats. So maximum, this is minimum value and we want maximum value of the goat. Maximum value of the goat is 800 into 5 goats. That is 4000. So cow cost between 2400 and 4000 rupees. Okay. Yeah, this is the answer. Now let's go to the next question. In a box of marbles, there are 3 less white marbles than the red ones and 5 more white marbles than the green one. If there are a total of 10 white marbles, how many marbles are there in the box? Now first, what he has given? White marbles are 10, right? Now, red ones are 3 more than white. That means 3 plus 10, 13. Next, green ones. 5 more white marbles than green ones. That means green ones are 5 less than white one. White minus 5. Here already white we know 10 and now 10 minus 5. That is 5. What is the total number of marbles in it? So total means here 10 plus 13 plus 5, 28 marbles. Yeah, this is the option. Now let's go to the next question. In the aid of charity, every student in a class contributes as many rupees as the number of students in that class. With the additional contribution of 2 rupees by one student only, the total collection is 443 rupees. Then how many students are there in the class? Now, let us assume that number of students is equals to x, right? Now he is saying that each student contribute same number of amount of the total number of candidates. That means x rupees. Here there are x people, so they give x rupees as contribution. So now what is the total contribution? So total contribution becomes x people into x rupees. So x into x gives x square. And then he has given that one student gave 2 rupees extra. Now the contribution becomes this x square plus this 2 rupees. So x square plus 2, and the given value of total contribution is 443 rupees, right? Now we have to equate these two equations. X square plus 2 is equals to 443. Now x square becomes 443 minus this 2, 441, right? Now this is the perfect square. You can see in the CSAT formula book I have given in the first page itself the values of squares and cubes. The values of squares and cubes are very important, and we must remember squares at least up to 20 perfectly, and if required up to 30, and cubes 1 to 20 at least. So because these values will help you in missing number series or else solving such type of questions. See, you can instantly get the strike that okay, this is a perfect square, and you can even find these things in the options as well. Now x is equals to 21. Now right. Okay. Now the answer is 21. Yeah, this is the option. Please remember, you have to by heart the values of squares and cubes, right? These are very important. Now let's go to the next question. In a class there are 18 very tall boys. If these constitute 3/4 of the boys and the total number of boys is 2/3 of the total number of students in the class, what is the number of girls in the class? Right, see what is given. 18 very tall boys is equals to 3/4 of total boys. Now from here we will get the values of total boys, right? Total boys is equals to, now by cross multiplying 18 into 4 by 3. So this will be cancelled out and total boys will be 24. Now boys is equals to 2/3 of all students, right? This implies that the rest 1/3 are girls. Now from here, we'll get the total student values. All students is equals to cross multiplying 3 to number of boys. What is the number of boys value? 24 by 2. Right? This becomes 36. What is the number of girls? Girls is equals to 1/3 of total. Right? 1 by 3 into 36. It becomes 12. Option B. Okay. Right. Now let's move to the next question. I think, yeah, this will be the last question for the day. Now, the sum of income of A and B is more than that of C and D taken together. Given. Whenever we are reading the question, we'll convert the sentences into the equations. This way, any aptitude question, it is very easy. When you are able to convert the statements into equations, then the half the problem is done. See, what is the first step? A plus B is combinedly greater than C plus D. The sum of income of A and C is same as that of B and D taken together. A plus C is equals to B plus D. Moreover, A earns half as much as sum of income of B and D. What will become? A is equals to B plus D by 2. That means B plus D is equals to 2A. Right? Whose income is highest? He is asking for the highest value. Now let's solve the question. See, from equation 2 and 3, from this 2 and 3, here substitute this B plus D value in this equation. What will happen? A plus C is equals to B plus D, right? Now B plus D is 2A. That means C is equals to A. So C and A are equal. Now substitute this A equal to or C equal to A or equal to C value in the first equation. I'm substituting C equal to A, right? Now where C plus D, right? In the place of C, I'm substituting A. It becomes A plus D. Now A gets cancelled. B is greater than D. And A is equals to B plus D by 2, right? And so A equal to B plus D by 2 from the equation number 3. Now, if we see here already B is greater than D. Greater than D, but less than B. Right? And A is equals to C. So the highest value among all this is the value of B. This is the answer. Okay, friends. I hope uh, I'm explaining correctly. If you have any queries or if you have any issues with the videos with my explanation, please let me know. I know I'm pausing in between. I'm I'm not speaking. There are few gaps. Please ignore that, friends. These are my first videos. I very recently only I've started this channel. This is my third video actually, so I'm a bit nervous in explaining. Whenever I'm getting nervous when I'm explaining, so please adjust with me, friends. And hope you like this video. Please let me know. Please comment if there are any other issues related to the video, and please suggest me if I could improve my explanation. And thank you, friends. Please share this with your friends as friends and fellow aspirants who are preparing for UPSC and other competitive exams as well. Thank you.